Hey guys, today I'm sharing how to make flavor rice from stale rice. I'm taking rice, chopped onion, tomato, peas and soya chunks. Firstly, fry soya chunks for 1 minute. Then take some oil or ghee and put cumin seeds and chopped onion. Fry till they brown. Then add tomato and salt, red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix it well. Then add peas, then add fried soya chunks. Mix it well and add little bit of water and leave it for 5 minutes. Then add rice and mix it very well. Flavored rice is ready.